Hello, my name is Sarah Stannard and I'm the Principal of City College Southampton. I'm delighted to welcome you to this virtual Year 11 assembly. Normally at this time of year, I and my colleagues would be visiting all the schools we work with and meeting Year 11 to help you start thinking about the education choices you can make after your GCSEs. However, this year is different, and despite the fact that we can't come and see you in person, we wanted to make sure that you have all the information you need to help you make decisions about your next step. Next September may seem a long way away now, however you do need to get on with researching your options and working out what you'd like to do. This way you will have a chance to really think about what is the right choice for you, and you will have the full range of options available to you. If you leave it to the last minute, you may not be able to get a place on the course you want. We ask you to make your application by the end of the spring term. If you do that, you can be sure of getting a place on the course that is right for you. So which course should you do? You can see from this list that there are lots of courses that you have not studied at school, so there's a lot to find out about so you can make a good choice. The courses at City College are designed to prepare you for a career in work. We teach professional, technical and creative courses that help you develop the skills and knowledge you need. For example, if you choose early years and childcare, this would help you prepare for roles in primary school teaching, day nurseries, forest schools, learning support and many other jobs. Each course prepares you for a wide range of jobs in a sector. The next step after your college course depends on what qualifications and experience employers expect. It can be that you need to go to university for jobs that ask for a degree, or your next step can be into an apprenticeship or straight into work. We work closely with employers, so we understand the qualifications and experience they are looking for, and we will be able to advise you on this. If you know what job you would like to work in when you leave education, then your careers team can advise you on which college courses will help you towards your goal. If, like many of us, you're not sure what you want to do yet, then it's good to think about what you enjoy doing to help you choose a course. Do you like maths and science? Are you creative? Do you like communicating with other people? Are you a problem solver? Thinking about this can help you choose. It's also useful to think about how you like to learn and be assessed. Technical and vocational qualifications are taught through a mix of practical, theory and project work, and are assessed through a mix of course assignments during the year, with some exams. This is a style of learning that many people enjoy and do well in. Our Level 3 qualifications earn UCAS points and prepare you for university, and all of our qualifications are accepted by employers, so you have a great chance to achieve a good grade and open up more doors for your future. Apprenticeships. At City College, as well as teaching full-time students, we also train hundreds of apprentices every year, and you might want to be an apprentice. Apprenticeships are a great way to develop work skills and gain a qualification whilst being employed and earning a wage. However, it's really important that you understand that being an apprentice is a job first. So you will have to find an apprenticeship vacancy at a business, and you do this in the same way that you would apply for any job. Typically, employers want you to have GCSE Grade 4 English and Maths when you join them, and many of them require particular qualifications and technical skills as well. Most people who are employed as apprentices are at least 17 or 18 when they start. We strongly advise that if you want to be an apprentice, you study a technical or professional qualification full-time for at least a year before you start to apply for apprenticeship vacancies. This will put you in a stronger position to be successful. We work closely with our full-time students to get them apprenticeship ready, introduce them to employers who are recruiting apprentices, and we support them in the recruitment process. So why would you choose City College? Lots of people do. Most of our technical, professional and creative courses are first choice for young people in Southampton and the surrounding areas. Our courses are first choice for lots of different reasons. The first is because we have teachers who are both industry experts and professional teachers, so they are doubly qualified. Our teachers have worked in the sectors they will teach you about, so they bring all of that experience to teaching you. Let's have a couple of examples. Mark Fairclough teaches production arts, and before he became a teacher, Mark was production manager at the Nuffield Theatre, and so he's able to share with his students his experience of how things are really done in theatres, venues and festivals, and he uses all his contacts across the South Coast to give his students the best possible development. Simon Hart, who leads our hospitality team, is an experienced chef who previously ran his own restaurants, and he and the hospitality team have created strong relationships with local businesses like Carey's Manor and Chewton Glen, so students get lots of experience by visiting hotels and restaurants and have great work experience opportunities. Another reason we are first choice for so many of our courses is the fantastic facilities that we have to teach students in. City College is a really up-to-date campus that we are always developing and investing in to make sure our teaching facilities are industry standard. Our campus gives students the best opportunities to learn in real-life environments. We have games design and IT suites, a science lab, an aircraft cabin, an industry-standard theatre, TV studios and media suites, hair and beauty salons, restaurant-standard kitchens, and a complete set of engineering and construction workshops. We also have a specialist marine skills centre on the banks of the River Itchen, which provides the best marine skills learning on the south coast. Every course has specialist facilities to support it. So life at college. There are lots of opportunities to get involved with a wide range of activities at college, sometimes things related to your course, sometimes just for fun, and the college is a diverse and welcoming community. Students are encouraged to get involved with all of college life through student voice, either by doing surveys or votes, joining an interest group, or becoming a class representative in our student council. One of the great things about our courses is the chance to test what you can do and to showcase it, and there are lots of exhibitions, projects and competitions that you can take part in throughout the year, including the chance to compete against other colleges at a local, regional and national level. We're very proud of the high standards our students achieve, which is regularly recognised through national and regional awards and competitions. Helping you succeed. It's also important for you to know that we have lots of support available to students to help them settle into college life and to succeed on their course. We have a really strong learning support team to help students succeed. So if you have learning support at school, do tell us about it during the application process and interview. That way, we can make sure we are ready to support you when you start next September. We also offer financial support to students to ensure everyone has an equal opportunity, and that can help with travel and equipment costs. We can tell you more about that at our open events. Then, when you're thinking about your next step after college, our Expert Futures team will advise you on all of your options. Speaking of success, I'd like to tell you about 3 students who made the most of their time at City College and have successfully moved on to the next step. They are perfect illustrations of the way our students move forward towards their chosen careers. Sam studied marine engineering at the Marine Skills Centre and is now working at Pasco International, a luxury boat maker, as an apprentice. Courtney studied beauty to level 3 and successfully moved straight into a full-time role as a spa therapist at the McDonald Botley Hotel. And Alex studied level 3 IT and digital communications and is now studying for a degree in computer networks at Portsmouth University. Alex demonstrates what I was telling you earlier, that level 3 courses earn UCAS points and prepare you for university. So what should you do next? As I said at the start, you need to spend some time exploring your options before Christmas. You can find out more about City College, our fantastic facilities, and meet some of our staff and students at one of our virtual open events this autumn. Keep an eye on our website and be the first to hear about our events, college tours and taster activities by signing up on the events page of our website. Once you've decided what you want to apply for, making an application to City College is easy. Go to our website, find your chosen course, click apply and complete your details, including your predicted GCSE grades for Maths and English. You do need to apply by the end of March. If you do that, we can guarantee to offer you a place on your chosen course. However, if you leave it until the summer, you may not get the course you want. This autumn, we have had quite a lot of disappointed students who applied too late and found their chosen course was full. For example, health and social care filled up very fast this year, as did lots of the construction courses like carpentry, plumbing and electrical. Late applications will always be considered, but the course offered will depend on there still being spaces available. After you've applied, we will invite you for an interview and discussion about the course. This is a really important part of the process and will help you to find out whether it's the right course for you, so it's very important that you attend. After the interview, we will send you an email offering you a place, and we will tell you what GCSE grades you need to be accepted. You then need to tell us that you want to accept your offer. All of our communication to you is by email, so please give us an up-to-date email address, regularly check your inbox, including your spam or junk folders, and let us know if you change your email address. If you're expecting to hear from us and you don't, please get in touch. So what next? Come to our next virtual open evening to find out more about the courses you're interested in at City College. You can keep up to date with everything that's happening at college by following us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. We look forward to talking to you very soon.